Hi guys, this is Lolita of Health Over Length. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. I am coming to you fresh from Orlando, Florida. I went to a hair convention for professionals and for students that's in the hair, skin, or nail industry. And I'm going to make a quick video about some of the little random products I have. My real video is going to be on Weed products. I got so many Weed products that's going to be a whole separate video, okay? This first video is just going to be on the 6 random products that I have. So I'm going to start with this line that I didn't go to get, but I went to classes, and I went to like hair cutting classes, business classes, silk press classes, Brazilian blowout classes, keratin classes, okay? So, but this was a class on 4C to 1A chemical-free blowout. And I think the young man's name is Chris, but I can't remember. I'm so sorry. But I do know his Instagram is Haircology Products. He has his own little product line. I actually purchased 3 items from him, but he was out of stock on 2 of them. So he's going to mail that to me. But what I do have that he has, is that's Haircology. Can you guys see that? See, that's what happened. There we go. And so that's his Instagram is Haircology Products. This is a scalp therapy spray. It says it relieves dandruff and eczema, chemical irritation, dry, itchy, flaky scalp, and common scalp issues, enriched with tea tree oil and apple cider vinegar. So I got this, and then I purchased his smoothing treatment and his Stay Smooth treatment. A lot of my clients are natural and they want silk presses. I currently use Mazzani, and I'm kind of one of those people, really, when it comes to my clients, if it's not broke, don't fix it. However, I really would like to support his business. Of course, it's small owned, and it's black owned, small black owned business. So I really would like to support it. So once I receive those products and I test them on my clients, if they work, I will be jumping from Mazzani to Haircology. So I got that. This is Keratin Complex. And this is Keratin Obsessed Multi-Benefit Treatment Spray. So it's a leave-in treatment. This was a class I went in. It was about keratin blowouts. Now, keratin blowouts is chemical-based, guys. Keratin is a protein that our hair is naturally derived of. However, if you're getting a keratin blowout or a keratin flat iron, that is a chemical-based flat iron, okay? It is designed for the natural hair women who 99.9% wear their hair straight. It actually breaks down the buns just a little, not bone straight like a relaxer, but it does break it down, and that's what enables you to wear your relaxer for long. Not your relaxer, Lord Jesus. That's what allows you to wear your hair straight for longer periods than just a simple flat iron or silk press process, okay? So I got that. This was a pure Brazilian, it's a shine oil. They gave this to me. This I'll just use as a hot oil treatment like those. So these were random little things. And then I purchased. So yeah, these 2 were given to me. Okay, and then this one I purchased along with the products that I'm waiting for him to send. This was given to me. This is Uberless. This is a hair bonding system. You're supposed to use this if you're a client for relaxed clients or clients that you're coloring. It's something like Olaplex, But this, you know, this is a little sample pack that I was given, and I'll end up trying this more than likely on myself, and I'll let you guys know. This is, you can only get this as a professional though. So, but I have that, and I purchased the Lock and Twist Gel by Pure. This is like a thick pomade. You see that? Like, honey, that stuff ain't going nowhere. It really has no smell to it at all, which is fine. I got this to try on my lock clients. However, it does say it's a twist gel as well, so I'm going to try it on the two-strand twist. More than likely myself or my daughters. When I'm kind of testing products, I use our heads for that. But so I purchased that, and then I have one more purchase that I'm really excited about having. This was like one of the driving forces of me going to this going to the event. But I was lucky, not lucky because I bought this thing. Well, I was lucky because they were like, they had like 4 left, and I looked up on it because when I was looking for it, I didn't see it. And so I asked one of the reps, did they have any more? And he was like, no, I think I'm sold out, but let me go to the back. So when he went to the back, you know, I'm like, oh my God, because I really wanted this, okay? He came back, oh, I'm out. I was very, very, very dejected. But I kept looking, and honey, I came across 4 of them, okay? I should have got all 4, but I was so happy, so I grabbed this thing so fast. But I purchased the Bionic 10 Flat Iron. It says limited edition because it's in this pretty teal, because it's normally just jet black. So, but other than that, I was so happy to get this thing. It's so sleek, it's so beautiful. It flat irons beautifully. It is normally $230. I've been wanting it for 6 months or more. I just can't bring myself to drop $230 on it. Got it for $99 at the hair show. Vibrating plates, smooth in style in under 10 minutes. Volcanic infused plates for the high moisture and high shine. Digital temperature control up to 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius. This, I can't wait to try it. She's so pretty. Look. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my God, she's pretty. And then look at her. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but those the plates move, which you know it means it's gonna move with the hair and not snag the hair, not, you know, it's gonna, yeah. I wanted this flat iron so bad, guys, so I have it. Can't wait to test it out. Oh, I'm just not seeing this because I'm just opening this stuff. It came with a little glove and an instruction booklet. Yeah, so like I said, this was really my driving force. And then Weedad. So I purchased so many Weedad products. That's why I'm going to do a separate video for Weedad, because I have a lot of Weedad products, okay? So that's going to be a separate video. I want this video to be kind of short and quick about the random little stuff I received and purchased. And I wanted to come back and just say hi because I've been gone a while. I'm at school Tuesday through Saturday, so I typically make maybe like 2 or 3 videos on Sunday, Monday, and that's when I post. So, and I haven't posted anything maybe over a week or so, and so I just want to come on and make this quick video. I may do the Weedad tonight, probably tomorrow. I have been traveling all day, and then I had to come home and pack and wash some clothes. So I'm a little bit tired, but I just really want to relax. This hair, everything. This is straight from Orlando. I stayed at a resort, Mystic Dunes Resort in Kissimmee. It was really nice. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the classes. Oh my God, I enjoyed the classes so much. I did hair cutting classes, keratin, silk pressing classes. Did I say hair coloring? I think I said cutting. So I did cutting, coloring, I did some business classes. It was so informative, guys. I think I will be going every year now at this point. I've just really enjoyed it. So that's gonna be it. Like I said, thanks for watching. I wanted to make it short, sweet, quick, and to the point. Stay tuned for the We Dad haul that will be coming shortly, okay? This is a 4-day-old twist out. I'll have my hair like in a mohawk for the event. And then so for traveling today, I just put it up in this puff right quick. And I use Main Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze, and I actually like it. So I've been doing really good with my product selection lately, guys. Because probably every little twist out you guys have seen in my videos, I'm like, I like it, but I've been doing a really good job with selecting my products, as I should at this point, because I've been natural for 9 years. So what you have to do as a natural is kind of learn what your hair likes and what it doesn't like, and the products that it doesn't like. Read the ingredients and see what's the common factor, and whatever that common factor is, stay away from it. The products that your hair like, again, read the ingredients, common factor, run to it, okay? So anyway, stay tuned for We Dad, guys. I will be back. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate you. Bye.